Hello, and welcome to the channel. Here, you can learn English with short stories. Why short stories? Because stories help you learn the language and context. The stories are spoken slowly and clearly, so you can understand the pronunciation of each word. For now, you can activate subtitles in Spanish or Portuguese. In the future, there will be more languages available. See the About section in the channel for a study plan. The study plan helps you learn more effectively. In the description of each video, you can find PDF transcripts of the stories. The transcripts can be downloaded or printed. Each video has 2 transcripts. One is black and white, and the other has color. The colors help you understand the meaning of each word better. They help you make connections between the languages. Subscribe and learn English here. If you like what you see, consider making a donation with the link in the banner. It will be appreciated and it will help improve the content. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Sarah loves to ride horses. Every summer, she goes to the farm and rides a horse. Many people go to this farm to ride horses. Sarah went last summer, and now she wants to go again. Her favorite horse at the farm is Rose. Rose loves to eat carrots, run in the field, and go to the lake. One summer day, Sarah decided to go to the farm. When she arrived, she went into the barn and saw all the horses. Where is Rose? I hope she is here today. There she is. I found her. Sarah saw Rose and went to her. Hello, Rose. How's everything going? I hope everything is going well. Sarah was happy to see Rose. Let's go outside, Sarah said to Rose. Sarah and Rose went to a bridge near the farm. Rose didn't go on this bridge before, so she was a little afraid. When they went to the end of the bridge, they saw a beautiful forest. Let's go find some flowers, Sarah said to Rose. 1 hour went by, and they found a lot of colorful flowers. At this time, Rose was really thirsty and wanted some water. Sarah and Rose looked in the forest and found a river. Let's go drink from the river. The water from the river was clean and cold, and it was safe to drink. A few minutes went by, and they felt refreshed. The water was perfect. Sarah looked at the sun. Then she looked at the water. It's a little hot today. Let's go in the water, and cool off. Sarah looked at Rose. Rose also wanted to go in the water. So they went into the cold river and cooled off. When they were in the river, some ducks went by. Rose looked at the ducks and thought, "Where are they going? Maybe they are going to the farm. Maybe they are just swimming." After they played in the water for a long time, Sarah saw the sun going down. It was getting late. Sarah looked at Rose and said, "Let's go back to the farm." So they went to the bridge. Then they went back to the farm. Rose saw all the other horses going back to the farm. The other horses also went to interesting places. Sarah looked at Rose and smiled. Today was the best day ever. But I need to go back home, Sarah said. But don't worry, Rose. Next time, we will go to more interesting places. Sarah hugged Rose. We will go everywhere.